Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Profotech Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress with jQuery UI tutorial for beginners, and this is our part 7. In this video session guys, we will implement tooltip concept of jQuery UI in WordPress. And also guys, if you are a beginner to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about part number 7. So far guys, what actually we have completed in this playlist. So far we have seen about the concept of called accordion, autocomplete, date picker, dialog and the tab section. Okay, so basically in this video session guys, we are going to use the concept of called tooltip in jQuery. So this is the official website of jQuery UI. Okay, so if I scroll down inside the widget section guys, as you can see that the tooltip is here. Okay, so basically this is a text box as you can see, and here is the label called your age. Okay, so if I just go on up, as you can see that we ask for your age only for statistical purpose. Okay, this is the tooltip section. This is the title section that actually we have used inside that label, and here is the title section. Okay, title section is converted into a well-mannered, properly used CSS of tooltip. Okay, so we have to use this concept in our WordPress setup. Okay, so to use this method tooltip that we have used inside this file, for that in WordPress we have to import a file or include a file something called tooltip. So let's search for the tooltip, and now as we can see that this is jQuery UI tooltip. We have to include this library file. Okay, and it's a needed dependency of jQuery is that. Okay, so basically we have to import this. How can we import? By using WP in Q scripts. Okay, so just scroll down. So just I'm going to copy this back to editor. This is the plugin so far that we have developed with the whole concept of jQuery UI. Okay, so we have to import that file. Okay, so far we have seen all the libraries that we have included right here. Okay, so let's say that this is tooltip. Okay, so WP in Q script. Inside this function we have to pass this parameter, and it has a dependency. So successfully from the previous video sessions we have imported that. Okay, so if this is your first video session guys, then I strongly suggest you to watch our previous video sessions of this playlist to get the clear concept about whole of jQuery UI. Okay, next we have to make a submenu section. Okay, right now we have no submenu sections of tooltip. Okay, so just back to editor, go up and let's add submenu page. This is, let's say, tooltip. Okay, so just I'm going to copy, paste here, manage options. This is slug, so let's say tooltip, and here is the callback function, so let's say tooltip. Okay, so if I copy this callback function, next we have to define this callback function. Okay, so let's say function. This is the callback function. Inside this callback function guys, we have to include a PHP file, and basically that PHP file contains all of our necessary codes for our tooltip section. Okay, so just go inside this views folder. This is the views folder inside our plugin folder. Okay, so let's make a file called tooltip. So inside this file we have to make code section. So let's say that for now, hello, this is tooltip page. Okay, so if I save this file, just go to our callback function. Next we have to import this file right here. Okay, so let's say ob start, ob in clean, and let's say include once. Just copy these two contents, paste it here. Here we have used the PHP buffer concept. First we have inserted, next we have included a file. Why we have included a file? Because we want to read all the contents from this file. Okay, after reading that file we have to store all the contents inside this buffer, and now we have to read this buffer right here inside this variable. Okay, next we have to copy this variable and let's say echo template. Okay, so if we save that, just refresh this page, go inside jQuery UI WP, and this is the tooltip submenu that we have developed. If I click on that, this is the comment section. Okay, so back to jQuery UI documentation. Copy all these things, just go to editor and paste right here. Okay, so if I save all these contents, refresh this page, these are the contents that we have developed. Right now, as we can see that when I hover in the text box, as we can see, we have a simple message. We ask for age only for the statistical purpose. This is the simple message, but now we are not using the concept of tooltip. As we can see that this is the look and feel and the appearance of this title section right now without using tooltip. But here is the concept, or here is the look and feel that we can use. Actually, we can see that the use of tooltip section. Okay, next what we have to do, we have imported this concept. Okay, next we have to import this tooltip method. Okay, so just I'm going to copy, go inside editor, let's open script.js file. Okay, so let's make comment because this is the code that we have written in our previous video session, and just I'm going to paste. Okay, replace this $sign with a jQuery symbol. Okay, so jQuery document on tooltip means that when we use any of the title section for our document of this document, when we use any of the title section, it will automatically convert it into this tooltip method. Okay, so if we save this file, go to our administrator panel, reload this page. When I hover on this text box, as we can see that our title section has been changed now. Okay, this is the title section that we have developed. Okay, so let's make a form. Just go to tooltip section, remove this section, let's say form. Let's say div. Inside this div, let's include some of the elements. Okay, so label. Here we have to enter the name section. Okay, and also let's make an input type title, input type text. Okay, and the title section says that we have to enter the name section. Okay, so enter your name. Okay, this is the first section that we have developed. Okay, so let's copy again, let's say age, enter your age. Okay, next let's say that designation. Okay, so enter your designation. And finally we have to make a button. Okay, so just get rid of this name section. Let's make a button for that. Let's say button. This is type equal to submit, and let's just submit. Okay, so if we save this form, go to browser, reload this page, this is the form that we have developed. So now it is not properly formatted. Okay, so let's make some of the styling for that. So style only, right now we are going to use only margin top. Okay, so let's say 50 pixel. So if we save that, reload this page, and now when I hover on the name section, as we can see that it enter your name. So this is the title section that we have used inside this text box. But now this title section has been converted into well prepared called tooltip section. Okay, again if we hover on this age section, this is enter your age, again enter a designation. So all these messages actually we have converted into the tooltip sections. So basically guys, this is the concept that we learned by the help of this video session, that how can we implement jQuery UI Tooltip to our WordPress setup. Okay, so basically we have some basic steps that we have to remember to implement this functionality. What are those functionality? First we have to learn about this jQuery UI importer function. Okay, we have to use this for using our tooltip section, and also we have to include this needed dependency. Okay, next we have to make a file, or you can just use those file concept inside this callback function. This callback function, actually this file contains all of the necessary codes with the title section. Okay, next after using these two files, next we have to make a JavaScript file which basically contains the tooltip method. This tooltip method converts all of our title section into the well prepared messages section. Okay, so by the help of this video session guys, we actually see that implementing tooltip concept of jQuery UI in WordPress. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.